In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Figma prototype into Google Slides. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This method is a fantastic way to highlight interactive designs directly within your presentation, making it super engaging for your audience. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to open your prototype in Figma. Begin by heading over to your Figma project and ensure that your prototype is fully connected and functioning as intended. It's essential to click that Present button to preview it. This allows you to verify that everything looks good before we move to the next step. Once you've confirmed your prototype is ready, the next move is to copy the prototype link. You'll find the Share button located in the top right corner of your Figma window. Click on this option, and if necessary, adjust the access settings to ensure anyone with the link can view it. After you're done with that, go ahead and click on Copy Link. This action captures your Figma prototype URL, which we'll use shortly. Now we'll switch gears and open Google Slides. Navigate to your Google Slides presentation and find the slide where you'd like to embed your prototype. This is where your audience will interact with the model, so make sure it's an intuitive spot. In this next step, we need to create a clickable element like a button or an image. You can insert a shape like a rectangle or a circle, or even use a screenshot of your design as the preview. This shape or image will act as the entry point for your audience to experience the prototype, so choose something visually appealing. Now it's time to link that shape or image to your Figma prototype. Select whatever you just created, and on your keyboard, press Ctrl-K if you're on a Windows machine or Command-K if you're using a Mac. A dialog box should pop up where you can paste the Figma prototype link you copied earlier. Once you've done that, just hit Apply. We're almost done. To ensure everything is working perfectly, let's test the prototype. Enter presentation mode in Google Slides by clicking the Present button. This step is crucial as it mimics what your audience will see. Now, when you click the linked image or button you just created, your Figma prototype should open up and remain fully interactive, just as it should. As a bonus tip, consider using a screenshot of your prototype as the preview image. This not only makes your presentation look more professional, but it also makes it easier for your audience to navigate where they need to go. And there you have it. That's how you embed a Figma prototype into Google Slides. I hope this tutorial helped you enhance your presentations and showcase your designs interactively. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like the video and make sure to subscribe for more Figma tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.